Like adults, children's emotional well being is of great importance. While adults may possess the ability to communicate clearly about what's affecting them, children may not be in a position to. This means, as parents, we must be able to pick up cues and set a simple system in place to help the child express its feeling to us on a regular basis. For instance, it is easier for a child to choose a smiley that best describes his or her emotions rather than having to put it in words. Better awareness into our children's emotional status will aid us in supporting them with love and care, thereby creating a positive growth in them. A simple and a great way to allow children express their emotions could be with the use of colors. An activity based on the use of different colors denoting various emotions can be an excellent tool in helping parents understand their child's current emotional status. So let's see an activity using colors that will help you understand your child better.